If you're unable to start a workout on your Apple Watch because the workout app is missing or has been offloaded, here's how to get it back. Press the digital crown to open the app screen. Find and open the App Store. Tap the search icon in the top left corner, type Workout, and tap Search to find the Apple Watch Workout app. You can only download the app this way because you can't find and download it from your paired iPhone. You'll see the Workout app with the cloud icon. Tap it to re-download the app to your Apple Watch. Wait for the download to finish, then go back to the Apple Watch home screen and look for the Workout app icon. Tap it and choose the workout type before starting your workout. If the app is installed but still not showing, restart both devices and make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated to the latest software version. If nothing helps, unpair and pair your Apple Watch again. Check out my separate tutorial linked in the video description. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.